Mbunge yikwatiw'a Kusyokea Syikalo syayo kwa ivinda yambe kwi muthenyani wa uni vala mesani ya Mbunge kivalua kinene kikwithiwa kuvetanga mutalatala wa kinandu wa 2024 ula musumbe Dr. William Ruto waleile kuwikia saii na autunga ingi mbungeni uvetangwe. Syikalo isi ya Mbunge syisyokewa vakuvi mwai umwe kuma maandamano ma muika wa nzima Nene vaona kuvikia muika ukulika mbungeni matuku 25 mwini muvitu wa 6 Benjamin mwaka no watumbanisyengewa.
Itina wa uthiumo wa vakuvi mwai umwe oyu ayumbe mesyokea Syikalo syo kwi muthenyani wa uni vala maundu kuuta mesani thini vinda yambe ayumbe meukinya naye mbungeni kuma wavitukithia mutalatala wa kinandu mwaka wa 2024 maula wa syaii kiutani kinene cha maandamano ma muika wa jensi ula wesio vithukia mbunge na itina kulasimithia President William Ruto echetheka mutalatala uu alea kuwikia saii na kuutunga mbungeni uvetangwe. Na yune na nyau ni kitue kinene ndino mivangilio ya mbunge kumuthenyani wa uni taundu speaker mbungeni akati Moses Wetangula ukuelesya.
So we will be placing the memorandum before the House. This also addresses the issue that I've seen in the media, that the bill was going to be operational within 14 days of the rejection of the memorandum. That is not true, and we have no provision in law or under the Constitution for that. The bill is in limbo, is in purgatory, so to speak, awaiting the next vote on it in the House. We also have the health laws that we passed, which you know, Digital Health Act, Primary Health Care Act, and the Social Health Insurance Act, where the High Court had an opinion that certain provisions of the Act needed to be brought back to Parliament for reconsideration and alignment to constitutional provisions. So those bills will also be most likely presented on the floor by the majority leader. The President also referred back the Division of Revenue Bill, which shares out our resources between the two levels of government. Given the shrinking purse that the government has, the President has indicated that then both levels of government must take some haircut on their revenue allocation. That will be on our order paper.
Inene yulo wasolo akusewe miakoni ya mbunge ya tuloni muika uu Wetangula no wetani utalo wa shilingi milioni 94 kalama ilete mukita mwenendi ona vanini.
The damage cost as assessed by our insurer was about 94 million Kenya shillings. That's the damage we suffered. We had insurance cover, so the insurance is taking steps. Work has started in restoring the damaged buildings and the damaged furniture, TVs, and other equipment within the precincts of Parliament.
Wetangula no weta kusyokethia kwa mbunge ni kuutethesya ingi kusukuma kusewe kwa nzama ya kunyumba makomishona euma IBC ndeno lungu ya syumo ile syukite. Vilenge wa mauvo kumava kauntini ya Ilovi. Nitawa Benjamin mwaka.